Hello everyone and welcome to my new video, the third video about operator overloading. In this number class from previous videos, I will add array of integer numbers and that array will be dynamic, so I need integer pointer, and I will call it number array. And I also need variable for size of array, and I will call it array size. In default constructor, when object is created, number array will be null pointer and array size will be 0. I also need destructor. This is because I work with dynamic memory, but I only need to deallocate number array if it is allocated before. So if number array is different from null pointer, then I will deallocate number array. And it will then point to null pointer. It will be null pointer. And I will also assign to array size 0. I need method to add numbers to number array, so I will write private method add number, and it will have one input number. Each time I'm adding numbers in number array, I first need to deallocate current array and then allocate new array with size that is incremented by 1, then current array. And I also need to save elements from current array. So I will declare temporary array with size that is bigger by 1 than current array size. And now I will copy all elements from current number array to temporary array. So length is array size, temporary of I is equal to number array of I. And now I need to deallocate this number array, but only if it is already allocated. If it is not, array size is 0 and this loop won't iterate at all. So if number array is different from null pointer, then I will deallocate number array. Then I will store address of temporary array in number array. Temporary array will be null pointer now, and I will store input number in number array. So number array index array size, it is equal to n, and then I will increase array size by 1. I will declare public setter, which will set number. So number is going to be equal to n, and here I will also call method add number. So I will add that number in array. And because I now have pointer in my class, I need to write my own copy constructor. It will take constant number object by reference. And here number is equal to number of object, array size is equal to array size of object, and I need to allocate number array with size of object array size. And then I will copy all elements from object number array to this number array. So size is object array size, number array I is equal to object number array of I. So now I won't have any trouble with calling copy constructor. So if I want to create object n4, I can pass n3 object. I will also print n4 object. Let's run this code. It works properly. So this was copy constructor, but I also want to be able to use assignment operator. So let's define that operator. I need to go here in class. It will have return type number and name operator equal. And it will also take constant number object by reference. And here I first need to check, is this different from address of input object? So if they are two different objects, only then I will copy values. If they are different, I will do same like in copy constructor for number and array size. Then I need to deallocate current number array. I will copy this line of code. Then I will allocate new array like this, new number array. And I will also copy all elements from input object to this object. I will write global method to print array. So print array. I need for loop. Length is array size. And I will print all elements of number array. And new line. And now I will go in main function and I will add numbers to n3 objects. So set number, another one, and one more. Then I will create n4 object with default constructor and I will assign to n4 object n3. And then I will print array of n4 object. Now I'll run this code. I have some error. Let's see it. Operator equal must return value. So yes, I forget to return object, so it will return this object return. And now I will run this program. And as you can see, array elements from N3 object are successfully copied to N4 object. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.